Did you know that despite all the advances humans have made in science and technology, there are still mysteries we were never meant to fully understand? Some things in this world are hidden for a reason, and even the brightest minds cannot explain them. There are secrets of the past, strange phenomena in nature, and dangers lurking in places we rarely go. Yet human curiosity is unquenchable. We want to see. We want to know. We want to explore. Today, we are diving into 15 things humans were never meant to see. Some will amaze you, some will disturb you, and some will leave you questioning what is real. From microscopic wonders to forests that seem to breathe, prepare to step into parts of our world that were meant to remain in the dark. First, let's talk about tree pollen clouds. In some forests during spring, massive clouds of pollen rise from the trees. It looks like fog, but it is alive, floating and shifting with the wind. In minutes, everything can be coated in thick yellow dust. For humans, this is not just beautiful. It can trigger severe allergies, breathing problems, and even block vision. When nature releases this much pollen at once, it reminds us how small we really are. Next is the breathing forest. In certain rainforests, trees appear to inhale and exhale. This effect is caused by the combined movement of leaves, branches, and gases rising from the forest floor. From a distance, it looks like the forest itself has lungs. Scientists study this phenomenon, but the full rhythm behind it is not completely understood. Standing there feels unsettling, as if the forest is watching you back, reminding you that humans are visitors, not owners. Then there are bioluminescent waves. In some oceans at night, waves glow bright blue or green when touched. This glow comes from tiny organisms that light up when disturbed. The sea looks alive with electricity, almost alien. Science explains the biology, but witnessing it in person is something else entirely. It shows how much of the world moves and shines beyond human sight. Some explorers have discovered glowing caves. Deep underground, certain caves are covered with tiny organisms that emit light. The walls sparkle like a star-filled sky hidden inside the earth. Entering these caves feels like stepping onto another planet. Very few humans ever see them, and it feels clear why nature keeps them hidden. In some deserts, there are singing sands. When wind moves across certain dunes, they release deep humming or booming sounds. The noise can be felt in the chest rather than heard with the ears. Scientists still debate the exact cause. Travelers describe the experience as eerie, as if the desert itself is speaking in a language humans were never meant to hear. If you are still watching, comment the video title you want us to cover next, and we will bring you everything you need to know. Now, let's continue. Next is the eternal storm of Catatumbo in Venezuela. For most nights of the year, lightning flashes endlessly above the lake. Thousands of strikes light up the sky without rainfall or thunder nearby. Scientists study the conditions, but the scale and consistency remain unusual. Seeing it in person feels overwhelming, like nature is showing raw power humans were never meant to witness daily. Then there are the mystery lights of Hessdalen Valley in Norway. Strange glowing orbs appear and move through the sky for hours. They are not planes, stars, or drones. Scientists monitor them, but no explanation fully satisfies the phenomenon. Locals describe the experience as deeply unsettling, as if the sky itself is hiding secrets. The deep ocean vents are another hidden world. Far beneath the surface, cracks in the earth release superheated water and minerals. Around these vents live creatures that glow, eat minerals, and survive extreme heat. For most of human history, this entire ecosystem was unknown. Even today, most of it remains hidden in darkness. The blood-red rain of Kerala in India is one of the most shocking sights on Earth. During certain periods, rain falls tinted red by airborne algae spores. Streets, roofs, and water containers turn crimson. Historically, people believed it was a curse or divine warning. Science explains the cause, but witnessing red rain still feels unnatural, like the sky itself is bleeding. Some have seen frozen methane bubbles beneath Arctic lakes. Trapped under ice, these bubbles look beautiful and harmless, but when disturbed, they can explode into flames. They reveal massive hidden energy beneath frozen landscapes humans were never meant to encounter. Glacial caves filled with blue light come next. Inside glaciers, sunlight filters through thick ice, turning the walls a glowing blue. It feels like walking inside a frozen ocean. Science explains the optics, but the experience feels ancient and alive. The Black Sun of Denmark is another unsettling sight. Thousands of starlings fly together in massive synchronized patterns. The sky darkens as their movements form shifting shapes. No one fully understands how each bird reacts instantly to the group. Watching it feels like witnessing a natural force humans were never meant to control. Then there are the moving stones of Death Valley. Rocks slide across dry lake beds, leaving long tracks behind. Ice, wind, and sunlight explain the motion. Yet seeing stones move without touch feels unreal. For centuries, humans saw only the trails, not the cause. The giant stone spheres of Costa Rica remain another mystery. Perfectly round stones sit scattered through jungles. Their purpose and method of creation remain unknown. Even today, no explanation fully satisfies their precision. Finally, there is the lost city of the Amazon. Hidden beneath dense rainforest, ancient civilizations may have built roads and cities, now swallowed by nature. Satellite images and expeditions hint at ruins, but the jungle protects most of its secrets. Walking there feels like stepping over history humans were never meant to uncover. Despite all our scientific advances, there are still things humans were never meant to see. From glowing caves and breathing forests to endless storms and hidden cities, the Earth remains full of secrets. Some mysteries may never be solved, and perhaps they were never meant to be. If this journey into the unseen amazed you, subscribe and keep watching, because the world still holds wonders that can shock, inspire, and terrify. And we have only just begun.